and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are weekly video snippets of information really just designed to answer quick questions about estate planning, probate, or other legal concerns you may have. And this week's Wednesday Wisdom edition is coming from a concern I have. So you've heard the used car salesmen or used car dealerships advertise buy here, pay here, or buy now, pay later, or things along those lines. Well, what I'm talking about is, of course, it is really designed for you out there who are do-it-yourselfers. And when you run up on a situation, a legal situation where an attorney presents you some different fee options or pricing options based on your scenario, and everyone's going to be unique. But I come across people who basically just don't want to pay an attorney's fees. Now, I understand that some attorneys out there charge outlandish fees for their services, or some of the bigger firms are going to incorporate their overhead in their fee structure. And I understand everyone needs to make a living. I also understand what it's like to be on the consumer side of things and be on that other side of that line where you're looking and figuring out, why should I pay you $500 an hour just to answer one question? I get it. I get it. Attorneys have to make a living, but at the same time, you don't have an unlimited supply of money to just shell out for anything and everything. I get that. But my advice to you for this week is simply this. When you are trying to do it yourself because you simply don't want to pay the fees involved, then understand it may cost you more, and 9.9 times out of 10, it's going to cost you more down the line if an attorney has to come in and fix what was done before or what wasn't done before because you simply didn't know or didn't want to pay to have a professional help you through the process. So just a word of warning based on some recent experiences I have had with a client or two where I've had to come in and fix an issue or bring an issue to their attention that wasn't properly done or properly addressed before. And now we're having to backtrack and not do what they really want to do because things haven't been taken care of from a holistic perspective. So that's what attorneys are there for, other professionals, that when you go to the doctor, you expect the doctor to give you the whole picture and those types of things. So that's the same thing in our case. So I'm not saying that you need to pay for every piece of copied or every phone call or every email or, pay these exorbitant fees. But I am saying what you don't do now, you may have to pay more for later. Okay? That's it for this week. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.